Hello everyone, my name is Chan Kwasniak. I have a message for Gambella youth. As we welcome the newly appointed leaders in Gambella, Dr. Galwaron and Ms. Alimitu Umot, I urge all of us to stand together in unity and collaboration. This is a pivotal moment for our Gambella region, and our collective effort will be crucial in supporting these leaders to bring peace, development, and progress. Let us work hand in hand with our new leaders, ensuring that our voices are heard and our actions contribute positively to the transformation of Gambella region. Together, we can build a brighter future for our community. If you and I work together for the common good of Gambella, all this chaos, disunity, division, if we unite together with one heart, with one goal as Gambellian, we can make Gambella great. Your contribution is needed as Gambella youth, because without you, Gambella will not move forward. Let not allow obstacles to block our progress. This regime change in Gambella could be a chance for all of us to put our effort to it and work for a better future. As Gambellian youth, I'm telling you, let's work together. Let's have one unity. That's the message that I would like to convey to all of you. Please share and let's advocate for a better way of bringing peace into our region as Gambella. Thank you for listening. Please share it with others. Thank you. Bye-bye.